gentlemen, in the next 12 hours, the CBI team will head to Mumbai and begins its investigation into the extortion charge that has forced Anil Deshmukh to step down as the Home Minister of Maharashtra. Tonight, the other key players in this web should be very worried because the net is beginning to close in. Here are the fast-paced developments in Maharashtra, and then tonight we debate.
हमने निर्णय लिया है कि क्राइम ब्रांच से उसको हटा के दूसरे ब्रांच में उसको दिया जाएगा और क्राइम ब्रांच में से उसको हटाने का हमने निर्णय लिया है.
In the second week of March, when the focus was on Sachin Vaze, even then Home Minister Anil Deshmukh didn't anticipate that he would be next. The Bombay High Court order on Monday morning was death knell.
Bombay High Court earlier this day has had ordered the CBI to conduct a preliminary investigation within 15 days over the allegations of corruption and misconduct level against Anil Deshmukh by Parambir Singh. After which Anil Deshmukh went to the Silver Oak, met Sharad Pawar. A meeting held between Sharad Pawar, Anil Deshmukh and Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. The meeting held for almost 30 minutes where Anil Deshmukh itself has said that he wants to tender his resignation as stepped down as the Home Minister, looking after the moral grounds where the CBI is going to conduct an inquiry, and of course they are going to question Anil Deshmukh too.
As the Bombay High Court Chief Justice Deepankar Datta made it clear that a transparent investigation under the police in Maharashtra was impossible with Anil Deshmukh as the Home Minister, it was a cue for the NCP.
The High Court has given an order for preliminary CBI inquiry. After the order, Home Minister Anil Deshmukh ji has met Mr. Pawar and party leaders. He has said that I don't want to remain in my chair because the inquiry will be there. Party has accepted his willingness and he went to tender his resignation to Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
Massive political drama unfolded in the state of Maharashtra after the Bombay High Court order came out which said a preliminary inquiry of the CBI was directed in the 100 crore Vasuli Gate scandal of Anil Deshmukh, after which Anil Deshmukh had a meeting with the NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar, Ajit Pawar, Supriya Sule, and had offered to tender his resignation in the same. He has then tendered his resignation to the Chief Minister, and the Home Ministry has been given as an additional charge in the Maharashtra cabinet itself. Anil Deshmukh after that went missing and then had flown down to Delhi, as said to have had a meeting with NCP leaders there as well, and is also likely to appeal this entire order in the Supreme Court.
गृह मंत्री का ये इस्तीफा बहुत पहले आना चाहिए था. जिस समय इस प्रकार के आरोप लगे, फिर पूर्व पुलिस कमिश्नर का पत्र आया, पूर्व कमिश्नर इंटेलिजेंस का रिपोर्ट खुला हुआ, इसमें से किस प्रकार से सरकार में रैकेट चल रहा है, लेकिन वो इस्तीफा नहीं लिया गया. आखिरकार उच्च न्यायालय को इसमें हस्तक्षेप करना पड़ा और उच्च न्यायालय के हस्तक्षेप के कारण ये इस्तीफा देना पड़ा है.
The allegations are serious against Anil Deshmukh, and the BJP from Mumbai to Delhi is pushing the tempo.
लेकिन हमारे उद्धव ठाकरे जी कब बोलेंगे? उनकी खामोशी कई सवाल खड़े कर रही है. The consistent, conspicuous silence of Mr. Uddhav Thackeray is by itself raising a lot of questions. क्या हम ये मानकर चलें कि बात निकलेगी तो बहुत दूर तक जाएगी?
Tonight, the Maharashtra government has decided to challenge the CBI inquiry into Vaze Vasuli Gate. Nervousness perhaps as the CBI takes the Tuesday flight to Mumbai.
The Bombay High Court order today said the truth needs to be unearthed and the devil, if any, needs to be punished. The arena for this case now shifts to the Supreme Court, where representing the Maharashtra government in a challenge to the Bombay High Court order is going to be Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi. There's also going to be Anil Deshmukh, who's going to challenge the Bombay High Court order. All we have to now see is what their arguments in the top court are going to be.
Let's debate.